Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is SOHINI CHANDA and I hope you guys all are doing well. So in today's video, as you already know, I'm gonna create this beautiful and elegant look. Now you can definitely change the lip color and also the hairstyle. It's all up to you. Now this is for New Year's Eve. This look will definitely rock. Also, before jumping into the tutorial, let me just quickly share this with you guys. Amazon is having their end of season sale going on right now. So you can definitely check it out. I'm gonna mention all the product details in the description box below, like the products I have used to create this look. So definitely do check out the description box. Now let's just begin with the tutorial. Alright, so this is how I created this beautiful and elegant look. Let me know if you guys like it or not, and also give this video a big thumbs up if you did, okay? Now, you can definitely get the products from Amazon during their sale, so definitely do check it out. Also, do subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next year, which is 2022. Happy New Year, guys, in advance, and yeah, love you all. Bye-bye.